In this video, I'm going to show you the best way to give your dog peanut butter, not just for fun, but to distract them while you're trying to do their nails or put medication on their paws or to keep them focused on something so you can work on something else. First things first, seems pretty obvious, but you'll see what I mean. It's worked out really good for me. You get yourself some good old, trying to do with one hand here, bear with me, peanut butter. Then you come to the patient. Ready? And you would think, usually what you would do is you would face the peanut butter towards them. But in this case, you don't. You face the peanut butter towards you. So what happens is it keeps them busy. While they're working on her back foot, putting a little Band-Aid, a little bit of ointment to heal a little ouchie that she has on her paw pad. Still the same amount of peanut butter. She's waiting for the leftovers. So she's still getting a treat. They're still doing the work back there. A little bit less than a minute. Still fully engaged in the peanut butter and distracted, letting the medics do their thing. She's still waiting for the remnants. She's still enjoying it. Straight out on the back foot. Got some on the tray. But you see how efficient this is? That's what I'm saying. I mean, we're about 2 minutes in. Let's say the intro was 30 seconds. A minute and a half and she's still not done with the spoonful of peanut butter. But look at, no issues as she's trying to apply it. She's not curious about it. She could give 2 peanut butters about it. She's over here still enjoying that same spoonful of peanut butter. There you go. 3 minutes. We are running out of goodies though. So you keep the spoon facing you. Uh-oh, we are running out. Now we might have to turn it around at the end. She probably wasn't getting any more. We're done? 1 spoonful lasted about 3 minutes. Sorry, no leftovers. A little bit. No, sweet cheeks. If this video helped as much as this peanut butter spoon technique helped you, have them hit the like button. If they have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comments. If they tried it already, also leave me a comment. Let me know how it worked out. So that's the technique. You get a spoonful of peanut butter, but instead of saying, here, pup, have it like this, she'll finish it too fast. So what you do is you say, here you go, and they'll just work around it, which buys you more time to be able to handle anything that you need to do to their paws or whatever it is that you need to do, maybe trim their nails, whatever. But this is the trick. Instead of this way, it's this way. And just, it goes without say, but I'm gonna say it anyways, just because it'll make my conscience feel better. Make sure that you're using the peanut butter that's safe for your dog. So make sure you ask your veterinarian, check the internet, do them both, double, triple check. Make sure that any treat that you use to keep them distracted, peanut butter safe, peanut butter works. Just make sure it's the right type of peanut butter that's safe for your fur baby. Have a good one. See you on the next one.